I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, see,
Hey guys, it's Fawns. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. As you know, out and about. It's hot girl summer season, okay? We're trying to be the snatchiest snacks we can be. I'm bringing back the synthetic wig like I said, but today I'm going to be installing this human wig right here. Just look upon it. So my friend sent me this link from TikTok, and they are called In Color wigs. So I was like, oh, I'll try it because they're cheap. This one was $2.49, so it depends on the length you want. That's how the price go higher. So it start from 14 and end at 22. The only thing I don't like, their hairs when they end at 22 inches. And something else you gotta be mindful about this site is they would say, oh, this closure wig. I ordered 2 wigs. I ordered this one for me and I ordered this one for my little cousin for her graduation. Let me show you. Just looking all type of way. But I ordered this one like a closure wig for my it was supposed to be a frontal, okay? I didn't look through all the slides. If you ever go on this website and you want to purchase, please make sure you look through the slides because the wigs are coming like this. It's supposed to be a frontal, it turned out to be a closure, and they got fake scalp, and all they have is... So, okay, I'm over the place. A pro, when you order from them, they text your phone. They text you. You don't have to wait, nothing. You texting back and forth with them. So when I told them about how the wig look, I don't like that, I want to return it. It was like, okay, that's fine. We can return it, but since it's not our fault because you didn't look through the slide, you have to pay for shipping costs and stuff like that. And I'm just like, what the heck? Okay. And then it was like, okay, we will exchange it for you, but you cannot get it back until we receive this. And I'm just like, I don't even know when y'all will receive this because this girl got a whole graduation and this is just above me. So this is a L, a big L on my part. I paid 100 and something for this one. It's 18 inch. Oh, another thing about the hair, it's not true to length. This do not look like a 18. It look like a 14 or a 16. And mine that's supposed to be 22. Don't look like that. It look like a 18. And so they're not true to length. So I'm just gonna give this wig to my auntie, and I went ahead and ordered a new wig for my cousin off a different site because her graduation coming up and she need her wig. So with that being said, thank God mine came as a frontal. This is how it looked on the inside. So they have some frontal, but you just gotta be mindful. Some is fake. So it did come with the clips, but I noticed that my wig lay flatter when I cut out the clips because those things be stabbing me. Stab me in the back like a backstabbing friend. Stay tuned, I'm about to become a rapper. I'm dead. So I didn't do nothing special to this wig. I just put my skin foundation with my darker one from my roots, the same one that's on my frontal, and I twisted a little bit in the front. And it don't have a lot of parting room to make a side part. It's like this small. But we're gonna work with it. That's what we're gonna do. I like to make the impossible happen. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is straight out the pack. It wasn't washed. It wasn't nothing. This is how I look at the pack. It's fluffy like that, and I left it like that because I want to put some curls in it, and I just want it to be like messy curls. So that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's try to give it to 50 likes and rate how you think I did when I slayed this hair. I am going to be using, let me tell you the product I'm going to be using. Since I'm not going to be talking in this video, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to be using. Oh, this lash is disrespecting me to the highest level. Okay. Oh, I forgot I just took it out. I'm dead. Oh, God. It's hanging. I'm going to be using the Boho Active and the Boho Liquid Gold. Liquid Gold. I'm going to do like 3 layers of this and this on top and just put it on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's try to get it to 50 likes. And I will see you in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. All the information for this hair will be linked down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, let's get started.
When I ride out, bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time. Spot, baby. Lego. Passing the pride. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Na me yard and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Na me yard and see.
Say when I ride a bumbo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. Spot, baby. Lego. Passing the pride. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Na me yard and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Na me yard and see.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
Original Batman. One time.
Say when I ride a bumbo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. Spot, baby. Lego. Passing the pride. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh,
Okay guys, I'm done installing his hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's give this video to 50 likes. I will say I love that this hair whole curls. That's a pro, and this is how I look. Let me know what you rate my installation skill. I burned my forehead like 3 times. My forehead, this half is on fire. Like it's burning. Nothing can cool it down. Nothing can cool it down. Just because I want a baby hair. Jesus Christ, it's above me at this point.
Go low. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls, them go down.